Are you a primary school teacher wanting a change of environment? If so, New Zealand has good news for you. Hi, my name is Clara. I'm a primary school teacher in New Zealand. From the 26th of March, the New Zealand government is allowing offshore teachers or overseas teachers to utilize the straight to residence pathway to come and work in New Zealand. If you have a job offer, you should grab that opportunity, because in the past, it used to be that primary school teachers had to have 2-year work visa and then they could apply for residency. However, for this new pathway, you can apply for residency straight away, again, if you have a job offer. Stay tuned for more details on this. I'll walk you through the details of the requirements and how to apply for this visa. Here are the requirements to apply for this visa. You must provide proof of your identity. You must be of good character. You must be in good health. You must be aged 55 or younger at the time you apply. If you include your partner and children in your application, you must have a genuine relationship with them. You must speak and understand English. Your partner and children 16 and over must speak English or pay for their classes to learn English in New Zealand. You must meet your role's requirement in the green list, in this case, as a primary school teacher. You must meet the criteria for acceptable employment in New Zealand, processing and costs. So you have to enter your country to be able to get the details that you need on this page. So let's say the Philippines, nationality on passport, location you apply, let's say Philippines, and the region, select the region, and then click display. Now you apply online and the cost is $6,450. Now Immigration New Zealand may ask for evidence to support your application, but they will let you know if they need something from you. Now for the decision, if your visa application is approved, Immigration New Zealand will contact you by email advising the status of your application. The time frame for processing is 80% of this application has been processed within 6 months. To submit your application, just apply online, and you may need a credit card or a debit card for the fees. There are some conditions to your visa. After your visa has been approved, you can work in any role for any employer in New Zealand. But for straight to residence for primary school teachers, you need to be working for an accredited employer. If you decide that you want to study, you can study anywhere in New Zealand for any length of time. You can travel in and out of New Zealand as often as you like until your travel conditions expire, normally 2 years from the date you first arrive in New Zealand as a resident. Now, if you are outside New Zealand when your travel conditions expire, unfortunately, your visa will expire as well, so keep an eye on that. I wish you good luck with your application. I hope to see you in New Zealand. If you've learned something from this video today, don't forget to subscribe, share and like too. I'll see you next time. Have a nice day.